You search for how to buy shares of Heineken, so here is a concise educational walkthrough. Heineken is a global brewing company listed on Euronext under the ticker HEIA.NV, and this video is for educational purposes, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HEIA.NV to find Heineken quickly. Make sure to select the Euronext listing so you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the exchange and ticker show Euronext and HEIA.NV to ensure it's the right listing. Tap or click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, your position will appear in the portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the link in the description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.